I'm the one they sleeping on. Shit. The one that's still dreaming on. The one who carry all the pain and still leading on. But wake up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we don't have lashes on. No lashes, because I'm about to show you how I do my individual lashes at home for like $6.99. Well, technically probably about $10 if you add the glue, but we're gonna get into all that. So, you know, if you're new, go ahead and subscribe right now. You can go ahead and like this video right now, because yeah, you know you want to be a part of all of this, because we about to be a family. Or because you know people come up with those little names for their subscribers. I need to do that. We need to do that. So if you have any suggestions, you know, comment them so we can all decide and come up with a name for us. Not me, y'all, us, the family. So let's get into this. Let's get into this video. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the lashes that we will be using today. These I Envy Premium. Ooh, there's water on it. Long, honey. It says it somewhere on here. Long. It doesn't give me like the the length, the like 25 mm, all that, whatever. It doesn't give me that. They just say long. So I'm gonna be using these lashes, because really you only need 3 things: lashes, glue. Now this is the I Envy Focus. This is the I Envy Mega Hold Individual Eyelash Glue. Strong adhesiveness, long lasting, mild scent, easy to use, black. Black is the best to use when you're doing lashes, because like that white residue stuff, we don't like that. And then, y'all, some tweezers. Some tweezers. Mine are a little dirty. Ooh. Oh, and they're sharp, so if that would hit my toe, y'all. But yeah, 3 things. Jesus. Ow. 3 things. Thumbnail, maybe. Y'all need my thumbnail. Okay, so we're gonna get a little up and close and personal, but I'm not gonna be looking into the camera. I'm gonna look into my mirror over here, because it's safer. It's safer if I look in my mirror. So, but I'll look in my camera for this part. I'm just gonna brush or comb out my lashes, because you just need to do that, because you don't want to be putting like fake lashes onto your lashes that are all clumped together and looking a mess. We don't want that. So, Lord Jesus, I'm just going to take my lashes. I'm just gonna take one. Dang, if I could get it out. There. So we got our lash. Y'all see it? We've got our lash. So What I like to do, I don't like to pour my glue out onto something because it just dries and I feel like that's a waste of glue. So I already used this glue. This is the brand new glue. So yeah, y'all can hear that air. Okay. So I just take, dang, focus. I just take, oh my gosh, I'm running out, y'all, too. I just take the glue and I squeeze some out, and then I and I kind of dip the lash in there, and I get the glue on the lash like that, and then I put the bottle down. So then, you know, get it dry a little bit, and then let me take my mirror. Now I'm gonna take my lash, and I'm gonna just, now what you wanna do is you wanna stick it on your lash. Did it dry? Ain't no way. It dried. See, it dried too quick. So we're gonna have to try that again. LOL ski. After I get the glue onto the end of the lash that's going to go under, I'm gonna put that under. Cause that's how I do it. What is this? Lash line, waterline? That thing right there. I don't put it on that. You wanna put it like on the lash. Cause it just lasts longer for me that way. Y'all see that? Just like that. And then I kind of press it, the end part, so I can make sure like it's really secure on there. And yes, so yeah, it's on there pretty good. So, and another thing is you want to like space out the lashes. You don't want to like put another lash right beside this one, because like whenever you do that, they'll kind of fall out in clusters. So like if one lash starts to fall off, like then they'll all just start coming off. So I like doing like space them out, because like even though some people think it doesn't make a difference, but it makes a difference. Like they'll come out one by one, so they're not all stuck together. Like you put them one together at the same time. I don't know if that makes sense to y'all, but it makes sense up here. So yeah, so now I'm about to just finish this eye, and y'all can just watch.
fighter.
Lightning inspired. Fight. Knockout. You win.
Okay, so I just finished my first lash and this is what it's looking like. And me personally, I like putting the lash, like the fake lash, under my real lash because I don't want people to be able to see like the little end piece of the lash where like the lash is like clustered together or whatever. So I just think it looks more natural, like even though like it's obviously not your real lashes, but it just looks more natural when you put the fake lash under your real lash, if you catch my drift. Yeah, so this is what it's looking like after I finished the first lash. So now we're gonna go ahead and finish this second one on my left eye. Y'all get it. We about to do this one. That's it. Oh my gosh. It's hard to do this with my left hand. Like, I always struggle with my left hand, but today, I think it's because I'm trying to make sure y'all can still see me while I do it. I just feel like today it's a lot harder than usual. I don't know, y'all. I might have to finish the rest of my left eye off camera because your girl is struggling for real. Like, I'm really out here struggling. What did people used to say? Oh, the struggle is real. Yeah, because the struggle is real right now. Real. But I'm gonna keep trying. Just for y'all. I'm gonna try this one more time. If I continue to struggle like this, because I have to go somewhere. So, I'm just gonna have to finish this left eye off camera. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I ended up finishing this lash right here off camera because the way I had to position the mirror and all that, it was just, y'all weren't gonna be able to see. So I ended up finishing this lash off camera, and this is the final result.
Nice.
Disclaimer again, I'm not licensed, I'm not a professional, I'm not no expert, a lash tech, any of that. I'm somebody who wants to save money and do their lashes themselves at home. And this is how I do it and what I got. Oh, another thing, I forgot to tell y'all, my bad. All the stuff I use, I just got from my local beauty supply store. That's all for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Because you know you want to. You know you want to. And I know this video was helpful. I know it was. So, like, comment, subscribe. I'm not gonna say it again. You know what to do. And check out some of my other videos. It will be all up in here, linked up in here. So yeah, and that's all for this video. See you guys next time.